Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Business Line newspaper headline. So, first of all, foreign banks say no plans to pair exposure in Adani firms. Next, SoftBank Vision Fund post $5.52 billion loss in quarter 3. Next, center open to forming GST council like bodies. Next, Charles Burge in India Nepal partner Ketan 6 exit. Next, budget match sees average monthly GST mop up of rupees 1.6 lakh crore in FY24. Next, Adani debt poses no risk to Indian banks. Fetch Moody's. Next, REIT invite to petition FinMin on budget. Move to tax disruption distribution to unit holders. Next, Google brings Bard to take on Microsoft Chat GPT. Next, 5,450 vehicles to hit Delhi Bengaluru roads by April under National E-Bus Plan EESL chief. On page number 2 in news section, under that, Airtel quarter 3 profit up 91% on strong all-round show. Next, Reliance Cab resolution NCLAT issues notice to Torrent. Next, Astral quarter 3 net down 26% on margin pressure. Next, Adani Green Energy profit jumps 110%. Next, Hero MotoCorp net up 2% even has sales dip. Next, on a firing spree. Next, Ambuja Cements net rises 13% on tax write back. Next, Adani Ports net declines 13% on forex losses. Next, UK government energy transition fund is not enough. TV Narendran. Next, Murugappa group to start e-auto rickshaw sales in ATL. Next, April. Next, brighter times ahead if consumption revives. Godrej Consumer Products. On page number 3 in news section under that, no proposal to increase amount under PM Kisan. Next, no unified global energy market. Rosneft ahead. Next, states bond prices down by 7 bps to 7.61%. Next, open to forming GST council like body to push reform. Sitaraman. Next, selling pressure may wane soon. Next, need for further rate hikes limited S&P. Next, LIC strictly followed regulations while investing in Adani Group's firms, government to RS. Next, 5 companies in fray for 5G network license. Next, acquisition of Vedanta Zinc assets approved by board. Hindustan Zinc. On page number 4 in Think section under that, bumps ahead. Next, did mutual fund take a stand on Adani's? Next, tax collected at source where the shoe pinches. On page number 5 in that Think section, monetary policy blues. Next, financial inclusion faces hurdles. Next, EU considered ban on forever chemicals. Next, 20 years ago today in that DuPont DuPont to focus on sales growth. Next, watch this match on TV. Budget versus cricket. Next, GDP growth to fall to 4.4 PC. On page number 6 in market radar section under that, Tata Steel tumbles 5% after reporting loss in quarter 3. Next, SEBI to auction MPS group firms properties. Next, Dow S&P 500 open lower ahead of Powell remark. Next, to curb market abuse, SEBI mulls rising complaints onus on brokers. Next, Indies slide for second day FMCG auto stocks drag. Next, BSE net dip 18% on expenses. Next, Muthoot Finance launches NCD issue for rupees 500 crore. Next, Go Digit preliminary IPO papers returned. Next, CAMS post quarter 3 net profit of rupees 74 crore. On page number 7, in news section under that, Ramco Cements quarter 3 net drops 18%. Next, Ever Ready Industries India quarter 3 net down 79%. Next, India China to be key drivers of global energy demand. Next, India's 500 gigawatt target ambitious but achievable. Next, PE funds FI Avian's interest in Nainital Bank. Next, ONGC in talks with oil giants for deep water exploration in India. On page number 18, commodities agri business section under that, UP marginally centers Kharif rice purchase achieves 85% of target. Next, bet short in lead future. Next, CBOT March wheat may break a support. Next, Saudi Arabia, the world's top oil exporter, raised prices. Next, oil palm sector in Telangana gets a rupees 1000 crore boost. Next, some growers bring storing cotton on terraces. Next, milk production up by 51% in 8 years from 2014 to 15. Next, since 2019 to 20, significant rise in biofertilizer use. Next, TNAU Wakul signed pact to digitize POP for 133 crops. Next, Bangladesh most willing to adopt GM crops. India indecisive, says USDA. Next, Grow IT inks deal with Jai Kisan KVK Narayan Gao. On page number 9 in news section under that, PM is the power behind Adani, charges Rahul. Next, K. Satyanarayan Raju is MD and CEO of Canara Bank. Next, ED attaches rupees 859 crore in illegal loan app cases. Next, Boeing to showcase local initiatives at Aero India. Next, every budget presented by my government has been pro poor Modi. Next, a friend in need. Next, too close to KIAL. Hauser is off Udan radar. Next, Supreme Court panel against zoos safaris at wildlife sanctuaries. Next, Railtel eyes overseas expansion. Next, Bro develops energy efficient habitat tents for use in LEH. Next, gift vouchers are neither goods nor services, cannot come under GST. High Court. On page number 10 in news section under that, shipping container ablaze at Turkish port. Next, UK closer to launching a digital currency. Next, Boeing plan to cut 2000 finance and HR jobs. Next, Carlsberg India, Nepal partner to sell entire 33% stake for rupees 600 and 155 crore brewer. Next, SoftBank reports $5.52 billion loss in December quarter. Next, 5G bands altimeter clash. DOT initiatives talks with MCA DGCA. Next, EV sales more than double year on year in Jan. Next, with rupees 2 cess of two with rupees 2 cess on fuel, a vehicle from Kerala hope borders to tank up. Next, North Korea breaks record for crypto thefts in 2022. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.